Hey guys, this is Bandit Challenges and I hope you're doing just great. Well, one of the fundamental tools and skills we need to have in our arsenal as an ethical hacker or penetration tester is to know how to use Linux terminal and its different commands. And one of the ways we can use to sharpen our skills in different aspects and parts and different fields of ethical hacking is to do lots of videos and try to solve as many challenges as we can. There's a website called Over the Wire which hosts different series of challenges. One of them is called Bandit, and it focuses on Linux terminal using its different commands for different situations. And I had an idea of recording a couple of videos showing how to solve its challenges. This is the first video. So let me get back to my code Linux. I can open my Firefox and we can search for Overdivine or simply type overdivine.org. And as you can see, there's a list of all different sets of challenges on the left side. And we're going to go to Bandit. As it says, the Bandit ball game is aimed at absolute beginners. It has a note for beginners, of course. And as you can see, it has something around 34 or 35 different challenges on different levels. Let me click on level 0. It says the goal of this level is for you to log into the game using SSH command. The host to which you need to connect is bandit.labs.overdivide.org. On port 2220, the username is given to us in bandit0, and the password is also bandit0. Once logged in, you go to level 1 page to find out how to build level 1. Well, that's the other thing we need in order to log into a server is given to us. The address, the port, the username, of course, the password. Let me copy the address, bandit.labs.overdivide.org. I can open my terminal. Let me zoom in a little more for you to see what I'm typing. We can use SSH command followed by the username, which is bandit0, followed by the address, of course. And we can use the -p command, -p argument, and just specify the port number, which is 2220, and hit enter on that. It asks for the password, which is bandit0. And as you can see, we just logged into the server. Well, there is a command called ls, which lists the files in directory. Let me use the ls command. As you can see, there is a file called readme. And there's another command we can use to read the content of a file, which is called cat. We can use cat command, followed by the name of the file, in this case readme. And you can see it says, congratulations on your first step into the Bandit game. Please make sure you have read the rules at this address. If you're following a course, workshop, walkthrough, or other educational activity, please inform the instructor about the rules as well, and encourage them to contribute to the overall community so we can keep these games free. And the password you're looking for is this kind of hash. We can copy this and use it as password to log into the next level. So that's it for this video. We're going to keep solving these challenges in different videos, and I hope to see you in the next video.